want desperately to believe it. Exactly how was this remarkable negative image formed? And what formed it? To find out, we went to see Ray Rogers, a physical chemist of Los Alamos, New Mexico.
Early in October of 1978,
Chemist.
a team of researchers from the United States were allowed 5 days to study the Shroud of Turin. Now, classical scientific method involves the development of hypotheses. How can something have occurred? And testing these hypotheses against hard observations.
Chemist.
A number of things can be learned about the shroud before the shroud itself is actually observed. There are 4 main hypotheses concerning the appearance of the image on the shroud. The first of these, brought forth by Bishop Henry of Poitiers in 1357, is that the shroud was a painting. The second is that the image was produced by direct contact of cloth with a body or a statue, something of this sort, that was coated with a material. The third one is that vapors or liquid products from a decaying body were absorbed by or reacted with the cloth. And the fourth one is that the image is a result of some kind of a heating or scorching phenomenon. Now, you can observe with regard to the painting hypothesis that the heated, scorched area from the fire of 1532 has not caused any change at all in color or tonal density of the image in the area that was scorched. Water was dumped on the shroud as it was being destroyed in 1532 to put out the fire. The water migrated through the cloth, and nothing in the image moved with the water. This says that chemically there cannot be, or cannot presume to be, any of the kinds of painting pigments, vehicles, or media that would have been available to a forger before 1350, and that nothing was produced by or used that could have been water soluble.
Chemist.
Now, this rules out almost all of the things we can think of that could have been used in a painting mode.
Chemist.
As far as the hypothesis of vapor causing the image is concerned, you can see that the image is the result of many little individual spots of color. These are not connected. If material had diffused or percolated by capillary flow into the cloth, the color should be continuous. The spots should all be in contact one with the other. This is not the case. Strangely enough, the only hypothesis that is left at the moment is that, or the most likely one at the moment, that the image could be the result of some kind of a heating, scorching phenomenon.
Ray Rogers told us he thought the image was formed by some sort of heating or scorching phenomenon. For more information on that, we went to see British author and journalist Jeffrey Ash.
What you can say is that the body of Christ could
Author.
have formed that image if something extraordinary had happened to it, so that it released a burst of radiation, producing a scorching effect on the cloths. Now, of course, this does not happen to human bodies in the ordinary course of events. But according to Christian doctrine,